Who doesn't love a royal wedding? Or an opulent period drama? With the popularity of recent royal weddings and lush period dramas, we've been experiencing a radical swing in online wedding invitation design trends, moving from this to this. And I couldn't be happier. Hi, I'm Alma, a wedding invitation shop owner-operator from 2008 to 2017. As I've continued to consult with brides now as a wedding invitation designer, one of the most recent trends my brides are requesting is one version or other of the Victorian monogram style. In this class, you will learn how to create your own authentic Victorian monogram, even if you have no artistic abilities whatsoever. We will be working in Adobe Illustrator, and though Illustrator can be a daunting app to master, believe me, I know, you'll be introduced to tips and techniques that will have you moving around Illustrator like a seasoned pro, even if you have little or no previous experience of your own. This class is perfect for anyone looking to break out of the "but I have no talent" box. Whether you're a graphic designer with some familiarity with Adobe Illustrator, or even if you have zero art or graphic design experience and you're just ready to challenge the box. By the end of this class, you will have created a one-of-a-kind, authentic Victorian monogram and have the tool set and confidence to be able to offer one-of-a-kind monogram designs to your clients as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's go make something beautiful.